My name is Emily Elliott. I am a sculptor originally from Georgia, a former St. Louis resident, currently working and teaching in Slippery Rock, Pennsylvania. We are here at the High-Low Gallery at the corner of Washington and Leonard. The title of my show is After the Disco. The impetus for this show was created when I was at a crossroads of my life in 2019/2020. I decided that I was going to stay in St. Louis for an extra year. This was right at the beginning of the pandemic, and so I spent a lot of time by myself. I found that it was exacerbating my generalized anxiety disorder. Basically, this entire show is based upon what I consider to be two of the most powerful words when combined together. Those words are "what if?" It's a phrase that kind of has plagued me my entire life. So essentially, this show is about allowing yourself time and space to feel the feelings that you're having, but also it's meant to act as an invitation to challenge your brain as an unreliable narrator and to give yourself space to think about the possibilities, that potential for positivity and growth, but also just self-acceptance, that we often don't give that side of our voice enough volume. It comes from a place of anxiety, but if you walk into it, it's a psychedelic color explosion. I just wanted to come up with a fun way to explain my brain to other people, but also to hopefully bring a little bit of joy. So the run of show for After the Disco is going to be May 19th through July 8th. If they want any more information, they can contact the Kransberg Art Foundation and get full gallery details through their website. And again, After the Disco is going to be at the High-Low Gallery, which is at the corner of Leonard and Washington.